Hi there, welcome to the King's TUT class. In today's class, we're looking at function or mapping. And what's a function? A function is a map that takes what? One element from your domain to one or more elements in your codomain. In which case, what do we mean? We mean that what? We mean this. This is the mathematical representation of what? This English up here. Now from there, we can see a representation of what? Set X and what? Set Y with the elements what? Inside. This is 1 to 1. This is what? 1 to what? More than 1. This is what? 1 to also what? More than 1. Now, elements of our x-axis of our set X, they are called what? Elements of our set X are called what? Pre-image or argument. While elements of our set Y are called what? Image or what? Value. This is what elements of our X and Y are called. Now from there we'll now move to what? To types of what? Functions. For our types of function, we have three basic types of function, in mapping, but we use only two because those two does what? Those two follows the definition of what? Our function or what? Or mapping. Now note, our function can also be called linear transformation. Can be called linear transformation in that case. So types of function, we have them as one-to-one function, one-to-one. We have our one-to-many, and we have our what? Our many-to-one. Now these are the types of function we have in function or in mapping. But what do we base on? We base on what? Only these two. Now for one-to-one function is also called injective. One-to-many is called what? It's called surjective. And then the two of them together, meant one called what? Call them what? Bijective. When we mix the two of them together, I'm going to have it as what? As a bijective function or bijective what? Mapping in that case then. So these are all what we basically have. Now, in our next class, we're looking at questions under function and how we can what? Relatively solve them. But before then, you need to know that what? Our natural numbers, the subset of what? Of your integers. Integer subset of the what? Rational numbers. Rational number subset of the what? Of your real numbers. Real numbers subset of the what? Complex numbers. With this and the ideas of all what we have treated earlier, I'm going to be looking at what examples under this, how we can solve them, and then move further to what composite functions and what likes.